We're here at Plum Market to introduce some of my newest and latest favorites. Just had my first sandwich, barcode number 7365553, the chicken and brie sandwich. Delicious. Jody, would you like to go ahead with the interview now?
Yes, Ariel. When you walked in the door, what was your first feeling or emotion?
My first feeling about this place was very spread out. Everything is in individual areas, well organized, and the service is impeccable.
Ariel?
Yes.
I almost forgot I was the interviewer. When you saw the sushi, what did you ask the guy?
The first thing I asked was why was there a Mexican making Japanese food? And then after that I shortly requested a sample piece of sushi where he proceeded to make me a whole roll. It was beautiful.
Ariel, did you purchase sushi after that delicious sample? Most people do.
I intended to purchase the sushi and then was easily distracted by the samples of cheese, crackers, chips, fruit, sandwiches, pizza, and all the other goodies that were available for purchase here.
Any last remarks, Ariel?
The only thing...
We're in the middle of an interview and I see you're checking your new phone that you scanned on your mom's credit card. Can you please continue?
I'm going to be returning this next week for a full refund after I leave the country. And for now, I'm basically focusing my work on doing a lot of different scams in the West Bloomfield area, including Best Buy and the Apple Store.
That's one.
What's the next thing? And the phone.
That's two.
And the computer.
That's three.
And we'll see what else we have to lay our hands on.
Four.
Besides for returning the clothes that we bought at Target and wore to a wedding, and then we'll be returning. That's five.
Okay. Thank you so much, and have a great rest of your travels, Ian.
Thank you, Freed.